Hey everybody, what's up? This is Alejandro Bernard, so good to see you. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I consider to be one of the greatest piano riffs of all time, and it's the piano riff that's found in Tupac Shakur's I Ain't Mad At Ya. This piano riff has the perfect balance of melody and harmony, and more importantly, it captures the spirit of the music. In this track, you find Tupac reminiscing and mourning the loss of the closeness he had with people whose lives are now going in another direction. And while they left him behind to pursue their own interests, Tupac still says to them, I ain't mad at you. There's an emotional depth characteristic of Tupac, and this piano riff manages to capture all of it. So if you don't know this track, definitely check it out. In the next section, I demonstrate how I would approach playing over this song. You're going to find nice voicings, you're going to find some interesting chord progressions, and at the very end, I've included a classical style prelude that you can use to set up any piece in C minor. The backing track and sheet music for the riff and the prelude can be found in the description of this video, so make sure to check them out. They're absolutely free. And if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. My upcoming videos are going to be on Snoop Dogg and MF Doom. Thank you so much for your time. Let's get right into the next section. 1, 2. Right. These like minor 11 chords. Right? So, this has elements of jazz in it, but it's possible to go overboard, right? And to be too jazzy. You don't want to do that. Right? It's just going to sound terrible. And at the same time, you also don't want it to sound too classical, right? Because you might end up with something like this. Alright, so that wraps it up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I want to take a moment to talk about my Patreon page now. For after 2 years of having this page, I've been able to accumulate $200, which is awesome. So if you've been a Patreon member, thank you so much. And on my upcoming wish list, I want to use that money for the channel. I want to purchase an Ableton Push 2. It's about $800, and at the current rate, if I keep saving at this rate right now, it's going to take about another 6 years. So if you're at all interested and you want to invest in this channel, you'll be investing into that. And I think by having a Push 2, it's going to enable me to make better beats, better backing tracks that I can give right back to you, and it's going to enable me to explore the concept of live performances and how I can, almost like a DJ, use my piano in this device to do beats live and then have a piano part. I would write the sheet music out, and again, I'd give it right back to you. If you like this content and you want to consider a financial support, check out my Patreon page. That's what's up on my wish list right now. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you hearing me out, and I'll see you at the next video.